Hello my crypto dickies. Ah bah alors, long time ago, hein? Ah ouais, bon. Today, two things. Two things I'm gonna tell you. The first, I'm gonna talk about Libra. Guy, keep cool, hein? Keep cool. For the bank and all the business out there, okay, they can move around and scream, no problem for us. But for the community, keep cool. Just keep cool. It's just a white paper. A white paper. There is no one line codes written, huh? Nothing. Nada. It's a white paper. It is what it means. It is white, there's nothing on it. And they just talk about maybe there will be a coin and then will be some business and stuff like that. So, cool. Hein? Bon. And I want to tell you about the group of friends there, of Mark, the 27. They have to pay 10 millions. Did they pay 10 millions? They didn't pay 10 millions. I didn't see anything about that. They will maybe pay 10 millions. They just wrote name on the list. That's it. Nothing more. So, why bother? We don't care. Huh? It's just a list with names. So, no problem. And what told our friend Brad Garlinghouse? What did he tell us? Huh? And he repeated time and time again. We have to work within the system, with the regulator. Did Libra work with the regulator? No. No, they didn't. And what happened? They got a kick in the ass. Ah ouais, a big kick in the ass. No, they say, no, your white paper is cheat. It's a threat for the nation, for the bank, for the economy, for the people, for animals, for the CO2, for the sun, for everything. So, hop là, you got an F, you rewrite everything and you come back. Voilà, that's how it ends. So, I think we have some time. So, before they come with something else. And moreover, how do you think it started? I think that Brad and Mark know each other very well. And you know how it happened? I'm gonna tell you. Their office is 5 kilometers from each other, not more. And so what they did? They drink a beer in the terrace, chat, stuff like, oh yeah, how are you? I'm fine. And Mark asked Brad, oh ouais, tiens, how is it with your business and your banks? And Brad said, well, you know, we did some quite good work, and but the problem, you know, it's the regulation. Yeah, it's administration, SEC, FAFT, FTC, brawl, machin. And they say, voila, it doesn't go fast, and maybe we got the regulation in 5 years. But the banks, they want to go a bit faster. Hey, they want to go faster, and I don't know what to do to go faster than I'm doing now. Huh? That's it. We got team, we got lots of people that are working with the regulation and trying to make them understand, and they don't understand nothing. I don't know what I can do. And then, Mark, what he said to Brad, he said, Brad, I know what I can do. I will write a white paper, and I will present it to the Congress, so everyone will freak out. And Brad said, but this is a brilliant idea. But yes, do that. Yeah, I'm gonna do that, the white paper, something a bit freaky, so that everyone will freak out. Huh? If it's freaky, everyone will freak out. And then they say, oh la la la, Libra, oh la la. Yeah, because I think Libra is a good name. Huh? They got Libra and a new coin, 2 billion of users, oh la la, this is a threat for everyone. And then the regulator will go faster. And Brad says, but it's brilliant. It's okay. Let's do it next week. Yes, a week it's okay. I just ask one of my guys. He wrote something quick on a white paper. Up and it's done. Okay, and it was done. And I drink a lot and was perfect. I think that's how it goes. So maybe Libra will never see the daylight. Maybe not. Maybe well, but so far it's not started well. Enfin bon, that's what for the Libra. For the second thing, it's about Swift. 13 seconds. 13 seconds. They do that because the guy took the plane with all the money in cash and prepared everything of both sides. That's what they did. And then they used the fast system. Yes, it's a system that we have a bit in Europe. So it works closely between several banks, and there, with really optimized corridors, they can go faster for the settlement. That's how it goes. But anyway, you know, even if they use R3 to do the payment in the future, or maybe they used it already for that payment, they will use Ripple anyway. It's treated in the code. I see it today. Yeah. So no matter what you choose, if you choose, I want to do a Swift settlement, in the code, it's Ripple. Because the programmer, what is this? He was in the code, he said, okay, I have to write 2 times the same function to say, ask Oracle to get all the information. And he said, okay, if I get it rapidly with Ripple, he writes once the function, only once, and then he created one big class saying settle, and then what 2 functions that call the same class. So, hop là. You take one or the other, it's XRPL. Easy, huh? So don't worry. It will come tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. Maybe in some month. It will start. And we will be rich. Allez, guys. Have a nice day.